Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube. Let's get started. In this video, I am going to show you how to open PowerPoint software in desktop. Let's get started. At first, open your desktop. Then go to the start button and I am search my PowerPoint software. Then double click or open the software. Then click blank page. Now you can see open PowerPoint software in desktop very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.